Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new iPhone 14, and today I'll make a little bit of a different video, just reviewing a case that I have for it. So this is the Karl Lagerfeld, or whatever, however you pronounce it. So you can see this is this specific version. Looks pretty nice. I do have to say I kind of like how it looks like compared to some other cases that they have. But yeah. Now I did previously do a look at this case, so if you're interested in it, it's going to be in a different video. This is obviously from Guess. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take this off. Open it up. One thing that I noticed, the cases, like the packaging is identical. Just to put that in perspective, this is one from Guess. Same thing, literally the exact same thing. Though we do have a little bit of a foam here, and the Guess one you do have just a simple cardboard, if you can see that holds it in place. Now one thing that I'll mention right away, because that wasn't necessarily visible from the package, this thing is thick. You can kind of see it right here, hopefully. There is some actual thickness to this. You can see these are quite deep kind of grooves with this logo, or whatever you want to call it, pattern, protruding quite a lot. So you can kind of see it right. Come on, camera, focus. You can see it right here, how much it is protruding. But anyway, I'll just pop in our phone in here and slide it in pretty easily. You do get to feel the back of it quite well. So if a weird kind of rubbery texture that's not necessarily the most, it's a little bit sharpish. Obviously it's rubber, so it's not going to cut you or anything, but you can kind of feel the edges on here, even though it's rubber. So if that's something that you might not necessarily enjoy, then probably this case might not be for you. But outside of that, you can clearly see how it looks like. So it does have a pretty kind of like standout look to it. It does catch an eye. Additionally, I'll mention a couple more things. When it comes down to the camera protrusion right here, it obviously covers it up without any problem. So when you place it, number one, there's no wobble whatsoever from the case, and number two, your camera is basically protected from the table. So normally if you don't have a case or anything, you might scratch up your lens, but here you do have the rubber first, and I also have already applied a lens protection right here, so you can kind of see it right here. There's basically glue on clear plastic right here, and even with that glued on plastic, it still doesn't even go above the bezel strictly for the camera, and most certainly it doesn't go above the actual like rubber right here. But yeah, the case itself has a nice look to it. I personally like it, and I guess one benefit of it is it's probably not gonna slip from anything just because of this surface at the back. So there we go, that's a positive. But anyway, not much more to it. It's just a simple case, more premium one, I guess. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.